Theta. USD medium-term support commonly remained at 92 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The very current exchanging volume of Theta organization basically is at $7,175,232, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization in a real sense is by and by esteemed at 90 cents. Bull control Theta's genuinely current cost activities in a by and large significant manner. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues. What really is especially momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Explicitly is Theta a by and large wise speculation, or so they truly thought. Theta organization support and opposition levels, and so on, exhibiting that the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified something. What in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Really is Theta a fundamentally wise speculation, which basically is very huge? Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense let us fundamentally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $120,109,556,157, which generally is genuinely critical. The kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,326,280,073, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours. Further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2% in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination. Generally let us essentially discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents. Essentially further appearance how the really current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every practical sense is at $7,175,232 in an unpretentious way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Especially further appearance how Theta, USD medium-term support in every way that really matters, remained at 92 cents in a genuinely significant way. These occasions for the most part show that the market certainly is going in a sort of descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for kind of present moment. Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a general sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers really become in every practical sense more sort of dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty further appearance how the for the most part complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $29,326,280,073, which certainly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers sort of move exceptionally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents. Fundamentally further appearance how the really current exchanging volume of Theta organization by and large is at $7,175,232 in a sort of enormous manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization explicitly is at 90 cents, up 1.61% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 5.02% over the course of the week, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 7,175,232.00 US dollars, while really complete market cap came to $901,711,628 USD in a quite enormous manner. There generally are right around 1 billion for the most part are available for use out of 1 billion in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta Organization Value Investigation. Theta Cost Examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span sort of made sense of underneath, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents. Genuinely further appearance how the really current exchanging volume of Theta Organization certainly is at $7,175,232, which generally is genuinely huge. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving sort of normal and dramatic moving sort of normal, to especially examine the future development of the Theta Organization, exhibiting what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2% in a significant manner. The Theta USD moving in every practical sense. Normal combination and dissimilarity marker by and large is demonstrating a sort of present moment truly sell truly signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath sort of sign line, which basically implies truly bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. So Theta Organization Value Examination. Theta Cost Investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside an essentially day-to-day time period, all things considered, made sense of beneath, showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, is up by 0.53 and is of now exchanging at 43 cents. Further appearance how the exceptionally current exchanging volume of Theta Organization in every way that really matters is at $7,175,232 in a truly significant way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and in every practical sense is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting that Theta USD medium-term support commonly remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The coin certainly is going down as it in every practical sense. Break under two pivotal help levels of 96 cents and 92 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. The market in a real sense isn't reasonable for bulls, and truly bears could explicitly take Theta towards the fundamentally next help at 88 cents, which truly shows that the essentially current exchanging volume of Theta Organization in every way that really matters is at $7,175,232, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While Theta's Williams